Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-Lint, and there are a number of really cool features in Apple's iOS software, and a lot of them you'll find in our tips and tricks, but one of my absolute favourites is the back tap. It essentially turns the logo on the back of your iPhone into a secret button of sorts. In fact, we loved it so much we decided to give it its own little explainer. So back tap turns the Apple logo on the back of your iPhone into a secret button. Kind of. You can double tap and triple tap the back of your phone. My finger normally lands pretty much directly on the Apple logo, and it can launch any number of functions like taking a screenshot or dropping down notifications. It's not on by default though, so you do need to switch it on, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The process to activate it is really simple. All you need to do is go to Settings and find Accessibility. Now tap on the option that says Touch. On the next screen, scroll all the way down till you get to Back Tap and tap that. Here you can enable the feature and select either double or triple tap, and then on the next screen you can choose from a number of different options. If you wanted to, you could open Control Center or lock the screen or switch your phone to mute or scroll up and down pages. You can even adjust the volume if you want to, so you could have a double tap for volume up and a triple tap for volume down. Scroll further down and you'll find Siri shortcuts for letting you do things like sending a WhatsApp message to your best friends, or switching on or off your smart home lights. So there you have it, the Apple logo on your iPhone as a secret button. Of course it doesn't actually press it, it's just a tap, but it does work, and it's actually really useful. You'll find this tip along with a lot of others in our iPhone tips and tricks guide, which I'll leave a link for down below. Go ahead and watch that if you want to. If you liked this video and found it useful, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to see more of our videos, and I'll see you again for another tip or tips and tricks at this time next week. Bye for now.